US President Biden is ending a Trump-era policy that robbed vulnerable people of their right to claim asylum in the US. But he's replacing it with what critics say are equally extreme restrictions and sending 1,500 troops to the border. Quick reminder, seeking asylum is a human right protected under US and international law. Former President Trump invoked the policy Title 42 in 2020. The policy denied people basic asylum processing and immediately expelled them instead. It's been used to expel potential asylum seekers at least 2.7 million times, and President Biden has used it over 6 times as much as Trump did. In 2023, he expanded it to ban any asylum seeker for 5 years if they cross the border unlawfully. Another quick reminder, under US law, it's legal to apply for asylum even if you didn't pass an official port of entry. Biden's recent policies also ban people from certain countries from seeking asylum at the border, forcing them to apply for parole in advance. Those countries include Haiti, which is experiencing a humanitarian crisis that is largely the result of US foreign policy. Haitians are fleeing gang violence that has killed hundreds this year and displaced over 160,000 people.
No tenemos un trabajo, no tenemos un hogar. Yo quiero una vida estable.
Title 42 is being replaced with new policies including a proposed ban on asylum seekers if they don't request asylum in other countries first. A similar policy was actually struck down by courts when Trump tried to use it. Another new policy is expedited screening and removal of asylum seekers. Expedited processing typically prioritizes speed over anything else. Interviews will happen while people are exhausted and in Border Patrol detention. It's unclear how much access people will have to translators or legal help before their claims are accepted or rejected. Advocates worry people will wrongly be sent back to countries where they face persecution or inescapable poverty. Title 42 created a huge backlog of asylum seekers waiting to be processed. Over 55,000 people were waiting by August 2022. The average wait time was 4.2 years. Border restrictions and long waits are putting thousands of vulnerable people at risk after already dangerous journeys. Human Rights First logged 13,480 reports of kidnapping, murder, rape, and other violence targeting people stranded at the Mexico border since 2021. Advocates say Indigenous, Black, and LGBTQ+ asylum seekers are most at risk.
Es difícil porque prácticamente es como que si le rompieran los sueños a uno, porque uno viene con una meta, con ganas de ayudar a la familia.